Welcome back. Today we explore how math reveals a powerful truth about opposing forces. The opposite of defeat is not always victory. Sometimes it's simply resilience. Mathematically, multiplying two negative numbers yields a positive product. A negative number indicates a value below the standard reference point or opposite direction. Two negatives multiplied result in a positive because the sign flips twice to return original state. The mathematical proof confirms that the result of -3 times -4 is always 12 without error. Abstract algebraic equations demonstrate the necessity of this rule across all number systems simultaneously. Two arrows pointing oppositely collide to form a forward-moving combined trajectory instead of canceling each other. Financial debt doubles when compounded negatively, turning total losses into accumulated profit quickly over time. There are three distinct algebraic proofs confirming the result is universally valid in any mathematical context. The operation creates an endless loop where flipping a negative twice always returns the value to its positive form. Rows show that -2 times -1 equals 2, while other pairs of negatives consistently produce additive results like 30. Opposite charges attract strongly together because both poles of an electromagnet pull toward each other perfectly. Albert Einstein's theory unified gravity and space-time, which explains why mass creates curvature rather than opposing it. A single negative acts as a reversal operator that applies its effect twice to fully reverse any prior sign flip. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Neural Frame.